2. What are we financing with foreign aid? Foreign aid money from the US federal government and foreign loans by US banks now finance a worldwide network of operations hostile to American interests. It would be difficult for anyone to justify the vast sums given to the Soviet Union, to Red China, and to other Marxist countries as anything but financing our own destruction. Much of the Soviet Union's military technology is made possible by our money. But this is not all. Many third world countries receive American aid, and their use of these funds is rarely examined. For example, 2 of my staff associates recently spent about 3 weeks in Bangladesh. A major dam had been built there with American funds. There was nothing wrong with the dam itself, but before construction began, human sacrifices were offered to ensure the dam's success. 1,000 Christians had been sacrificed in that instance. Again, my associates asked the US official about the construction of Bangladesh army compounds in the hill country which were built with American aid. No American officer or official has made any inspection, least of all a surprise inspection of them. The fact is that the Bangladesh army does occupy these compounds, but they also serve as concentration camps for the hill tribes. The ruling peoples of Bangladesh are Bengalis. The hill tribes are not of the same race, and hence they are persecuted. Their farms are open to squatters, and the hill tribes must stay at night in army reserves. Is this unusual? On the contrary, it's routine. Our funds are given away or loaned out without any real supervision or follow-up. If an American receives a federal or a bank loan, he is extensively investigated and supervised. If he or she receives welfare, there is a measure of follow-up by social workers. We may feel that this follow-up is inadequate and careless, but it is still far more than is ever done with foreign aid. The fact is that we are financing evil all over the world. Our foreign aids and foreign loans would, in many cases, do far less harm if we simply took the money and burned it up. In the long run, it would cost us less and it would do less damage. Foreign aid has become a major cause of our worldwide political and economic crises, and it has been a means of financing tyranny and slavery. Foreign aid and loans finance the enemies of freedom and the agencies of human bondage. It's time to call a halt to this evil.